All right, so where'd you guys go this weekend?
Mui Ne.
And did you go by bus or by train?
By bus.
What time did you leave?
We leave in the afternoon at 3 p.m. and then we took a bus. It was the first time for us. It was a bus with a small bed. Yes, sleeping bus.
Cool.
So for 6 hours, and then we arrived around 9 p.m. and we stay at hostel for the first night.
Was the hostel like high up on the mountain?
No.
Just right in front of the beach.
Yes,
so we could see the
really on the
sunset.
beach. It was a backpackers hotel, so only young people and a very good atmosphere, and a lot of 10 people were stuck here because of the coronavirus. So they start to be like a family, and they welcome us very warmly.
Cool.
So it was cool.
So that was Friday night, right? Friday night?
Yes, and we came back on Sunday. Same, we took a bus at 4 p.m. and we arrived at 9 p.m.
Okay, so what did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday, we went to the red sand dune of Mui Ne. So it was our first time, and it was very, very beautiful. We took wonderful pictures.
Did you ride one of the all-terrain vehicles up, or did you guys walk?
We walked through the dunes.
There's two places in Mui Ne to do the red sand dune.
White dune and the red dune.
Yeah.
But the white dunes are really far away, like 40 minutes. And from where we were, the red dunes were only 15 minutes by bike. So we rent bikes and go there. We went there.
Cool. What did you do Saturday night?
Saturday night actually was very calm. We just stayed together and eat and enjoy the place and watch a movie before sleeping.
Cool. And then Sunday?
On Sunday, first on the morning, no alarm.
Yes, we slept.
So we slept a lot.
And then after we took the sun and just we chill and hang out in the hostel.
Cool. Yeah, the next time you go, there's a fishing village.
Yeah, we know.
Did you go?
We wanted to go there. We planned to go there on Sunday morning, but finally we
wake up too late. So
and we told ourselves maybe we're gonna come back to Mui Ne and we will visit the fishing village this time.
Cool. Yeah, if you go out to the white sand dunes, the ones that are further away, it's fun. You can hike all the way up, or you can pay. It's not cheap, but it's worth it. And they will take you in the all-terrain vehicles. They'll drive you all the way up and around. And
yeah, because it was really
too far from.
To walk through the dunes also.
It
was
sport.
Yes.
A lot of sports.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. And then how about the trip back?
On the trip back, perfect. We was a little bit tired and sad to leave the beach because it was really good to feel the air of the sea and
the smell of the sea.
The smell and the feet on the sand. So we were a little bit sad to come back, but everything goes well, and we did 2 stops in a small station to eat, and then arrive in Saigon and took a Grab in D1, and we took a Grab to go back in D2.
Were they the buses with the beds? Like you have a bed that you can lie down in?
Yeah, actually, like the seats are already put in the position to sleep.
Right.
And you just sit and you have a 2 level of seats.
Yeah.
And it's
comfortable. Yes.
Yeah. Just you don't have to be too tall, I think.
Yes, exactly.
Because Vietnamese people are very small.
Yes.
But okay.
Not tall and not too fat.
Well, not too fat.
So you have to fit in the seat. But if you fit as us, it's quite comfortable, and I prefer this kind of bus than our bus in France because it's more comfortable and we can sleep very well. So it was cool, and I was happy to discover that.
Happy weekend.
Yes,
really good weekend.
Very happy weekend. Lot
Relax,
of good vibes, relax and sun, smile. Everything's good to start a new week.
Marketing campaign.
Awesome. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.